Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the most important widget in Flutter that is called as tab bar widget. So I will give you complete information about this widget. Don't skip the video. Please try to watch entire video. Otherwise, you are unable to understand. So let's begin the code. First of all, inside the body, we have to take default tab controller. Inside that, we have to give the length 3. After, we have to take child. Okay, here we have to add scaffold and bar inside the bottom here tab not tab bar. So inside this we have to add tab. Okay, here we have to add text. First tab, second, third. So here, so this is done. So after that, inside the body, tab bar view, so that we have to add children. We have to add first tab container body, child, text, first tab body, wrapping this with center. Now take remaining second, third. So this is done. Let's run the code how it is coming. Flutter run minus b chrome. So if you see here, first tab, second tab, third tab. So if you are clicking first tab, this body will come. First tab body. So this text. Second tab body. Third tab body. Like that. This is how we have to integrate the tab bar widget in Flutter. So inside inside the tab, we will able to add icon also. That property also we have icons dot add. So for one tab I am adding. We'll see how it is coming. So if you see here, I added second tab. So the image is coming to second tab like this. I am adding remaining tabs also. Okay. Let's run the code and check. See, image also coming. So this is how you have to integrate the tab bar widget in Flutter. So if you like the video, please give a like. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.